This instructional video will demonstrate how to set up your new Kyocera
The MA2100cwfx printer.
Open the box and locate the bag that contains the manuals and DVD. Be careful when lifting the machine out of the box. It is recommended that 2 people lift the printer out of the box. Place the machine on a flat, level surface. Open the right side door by pressing this latch and swing the door to the rear. Remove the security tabs from each of the toner containers by pulling down and toward yourself. Pull this piece of tape and then remove the cardboard. Close the right side cover.
It's now time to power on the printer. Select between one of these 3 videos: the Power On Wired Network Install Wizard, the Power On Wi-Fi Wireless Install Wizard, or the Power On USB Install Wizard.